Are you tired of dealing with a broken car key? Well, worry no more. Here at Keystation, we have the solution for you in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Enter your registration number into our website. It's as simple as that. This will help you choose the right key for your vehicle. Step 2. Upload a clear image of your broken key and we'll take care of the rest. Finally, Step 3. Purchase. Once you've provided your details and selected your services, we'll get to work. We will cut the key for you and send it out. All you have to do is swap the parts over from your current key and bingo! You have a new refurbished key. But what if your key buttons are broken? No problem at all. Simply post us your key and for a small fee we will replace the buttons. It's that easy. So why pay for a whole new key when you can repair it yourself with a few simple steps? Visit Keystation today and let us get you back on the road in no time.